Welcome to the home of MAGNI-DTI. This is our small engineering workshop in Wakefield, West Yorkshire, and this is where we manufacture all our MAGNI-DTI. Also we refurbish small model engineering lathes, and we can do one-off prototype work and batch work. But mainly we're concentrating on MAGNI-DTI. And if you may, I can show you just exactly how it works. Quite simple really. Clamp straight directly onto the lathe bed, so you can use it for whatever you need to do. Very accurate, very precise, very easy to use. Also, if you've got a 4-jaw chuck, you can use it, you can attach it to your tool post, and then obviously you can square your work up as necessary. If you've got a milling machine, you can also use it on your milling machine as well. There we go. It'll clamp to its bed as well, or wherever you need to use it. We really feel that this is the most versatile, innovative and cost-effective piece of equipment on the market at this moment in time. And when we say no hands required, we really mean no hands are required. For more information on our products, please go to our website, which is magni-dti.yoelsite.com. If you like to purchase one of our products, please go to our eBay site, which is MAGNI-DTI 2017. And if you'd like a quote for any engineering work, any advice, please email me at magnidti@gmail.com. MAGNI-DTI. No hands required.